So when client says, I'll let you know, is mostly they're saying no, polite way of, I don't need your service, I don't need your help. When you know that they don't want it, or they're not interested, or they have not actually seen the value in what you're offering, instead of accepting and you also being polite and obedient to saying, okay, no problem, okay, fine, let us know. Instead of saying that, why don't we become transparent and open and say, thank you so much, I appreciate that. Mr. Prospect, whenever somebody says, I'll let you know, it actually means I'm not interested at this point of time. But they're just being very polite with me. And I want you to know that you do not have to, be polite. You can absolutely tell me that, Rachna, this is not something that we want to do, at least for next 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. There's absolutely no obligation, right? So then what would he say? Oh, no, 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 we will consider. Or he would say, actually, yeah, you're right, Rachna, so there will probably be no requirement as such. Or they'll say, no, 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 we want to do this and all that. So then ask him, so help me understand what is actually stopping you from even having a conversation about it. I want you to keep, I want you to remember one thing, that you have absolutely no obligation whatsoever to engage with me or my service or whatever. Why don't we do this? I know you're busy right now, and I don't want to take more time right now. Why don't we set up a separate call wherever it is, whenever it is convenient for you, maybe in next few days or maybe next week. Set up just like a 30 minutes. And what's going to happen on this call is I'm going to understand a little bit about you and your business and the things that you're doing. I'm going to share some updates on XYZ, this, IFRS and all that thing. And maybe share some ideas and tips with you. And then you decide whenever is the best time. Okay? There's absolutely no obligation. And you don't have to feel that, oh, because I'm spending more time with you, that you have to do business with me. Absolutely not. Okay? So how does that sound to you? You see? Now you're not letting the guy off the hook or girl off the hook by just being very open. And you will get these objections in sales, cold calls, you'll get these objections. But most of the objections are actually not objection. They are just like either a lie, they want to get rid of you, or just a excuse or whatever it is. But most of them are actually not true. Okay?